What's up mga kasiloy? This is Gaga from CDN Digital, ready to help you power up your home with Visayan Electric. Whether you're moving into a new place or setting up your business, we got you covered. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of applying for a Visayan Electric account, from the necessary requirements to some helpful tips to make your application smooth and hassle-free. Let's go!
Hi, good morning. I'm Glaiza Marie Pilapil, handling frontline operations in Visayan Electric Service Centers. For new connection, our applicants may visit our service centers within the franchise area, or they may call us at our hotline number at 230-8326, or they may also message us through our official Facebook page. For new accounts, that depends if the application is residential or industrial. So for residential accounts, our basic requirement would be the electrical permit or endorsement from the office, the building official, and their valid IDs. However, for large commercial or power applications, aside from the electrical permit, they also need to submit the signed and sealed electrical plan. Endorsement of application may be coursed through sa ato ang online na platform with the assistance of our accredited electrician or the licensed practitioner. After the completion of the requirements and after ma-inspect na siya sa amo ang inspector, they can submit the physical copy of the document sa ato ang 7 service centers located sa Naga City, sa Jacosalem, Cebu City, 1 Pavilion, Cebu City, Talamban, Cebu City, Park Mall in Mandaue City, and Liluan. Application processing would take depende siya sa pag-comply sa ato ang applicant sa katong mga requirements, both documents and technical requirements. Once inspection is approved and then advice for energization is already available, it would take normally for a residential account 2 to 3 working days, and for power accounts or industrial accounts, an average of 15 working days. The applicants only need to pay the bill deposit that is required after the inspection. Once inspection is approved, customer will be advised to pay the bill deposit that is based sa iyahang inspected connected load. Processing of application for renters is the same with those sa kanang homeowners. However, they only differ sa requirements. So, authorized occupants or renters would secure an undertaking or an affidavit or consent from the property owner. Basically, the difference lang is there is a survey conducted by our customer service engineer on site together with the provided na signed and sealed electrical plan. Transferring of account name would require a proof of ownership or an undertaking, depends on the relationship sa aplikante to the property owner. Our applicants may also visit our service centers for inquiries and for follow-ups of application status. I suggest that customers would apply and visit our legit service centers and hire those licensed or accredited electrical practitioner for a smooth application process.
There you have it mga kasiloy. That's everything you need to know about applying for a Visayan Electric account. By following these steps and making sure that your documents is complete, you'll have your electricity up in no time. Big thanks to Ms. Glaiza Marie Pilapil for guiding us through the process. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Visayan Electric's customer service or visit their official website. Don't forget to like this video, share it to someone who might find it useful, and follow CDN Digital for more helpful guides. This has been your host, Gaga from CDN Digital. Stay powered up and see you in the next video.
You'll see it in the light of a million homes. You hear it in the sound of a million songs. This is the light.